Good morning, students. So let's start our first topic of chapter number 7, that is plants living and surviving, and it's page number 58 of your EVS book. So the first topic that we will talk about terrestrial plants, and before that we will start the introduction of this chapter. So you can see here what is written in introduction part, that as we all know that plants grow everywhere, in mountain slopes, in ocean beds, in desert and river valleys. So plants grow everywhere means they are growing on every kind of land, like either they are mountains, either it is desert area, either it is snowy area, in the river valleys, in the ocean beds and so on. But these plants differ from each other depending upon the surroundings where they grow, but their growth and their features, characteristics, they are different depending upon the different kind of areas on which they are growing. So the first topic is that are terrestrial plants. So coming to the terrestrial plant, this is very easy topic, and these are the points I have written, and all these points you can see in your book also. So first of all, coming to the word terrestrial. So what is the meaning of word terrestrial? Means living on land. So terrestrial word means living on land. So what will be terrestrial plants? So terrestrial plants are those plants that grow on land. They are known as terrestrial plants. For example, you can see there are in this picture that there are different kind of plants. So the plants which are growing on the land, they are known as terrestrial plants, and this picture is showing different kind of terrestrial plants. Now we will study the features of terrestrial plant in hilly areas and in plain areas. So first one is hilly areas. So what are the features of the plants in hilly area? First is trees are generally tall and straight. In hilly areas, the trees which grow, they are basically tall and they are straight. Trees have needle-like leaves. They are very sharp needle-like leaves. And trees bear cone instead of flowers. They are having cones instead of flowers. Some examples are pine, fir and cedar. This I will show you in picture also. So this is the pine tree, and this is basically found in hilly areas, and you can see in the picture here they are very tall also, and they used to grow straight, and their leaves are like needle. And this is spruce tree. It also grows on hilly areas, and this also you can see it is a slope like structure. They are straight and they are having needle like leaves. Third one is cedar tree. This is also found on hilly areas, and these are the cones. There is written on last that instead of flowers they are having cones. So these are the cone structure which are basically found in the trees which grows on hilly areas. Now coming to the plain areas. In plain areas, the trees which are growing in plain areas, they have lot of branches, means they bear lots of branches. Trees can bear the heat but shed leaves during winter. So the trees of plain areas, they can bear the heat. They can tolerate the heat, but they shed their leaves in winter season. So these are the examples of the trees which grow in plain areas, like mango, shisham, peepal, banyan and sal. This I will show you the pictures of these also. So see, this is the picture of the tree which grows on the plain areas, and this is a mango tree. Next is this is a picture of banyan tree. It also grows in plain areas. Next is the picture of sal tree. These are known as sal tree, and this is the shisham plant. This is the picture for shisham tree. So these are the some of the examples of the plants which or trees which grow in plain areas. So in this we can conclude that whether the plant growing hilly areas, plain areas, they are having different features depending upon the environmental conditions and the habitat there. In the next class we will study about more areas in terrestrial plant. So on the basis of today's topic lecture, you have to do this homework, and this homework you can see in the assignment option of your app, SMDP app. Thank you and have a nice day.